Is it a deed of sale or is it a deed of donation?
It is a deed of donation, Mr. Chair.
O nagsisinungaling siya. Kala ko ba matigas
Mr.
ang
Aaron, please
sagot mo
submit.
kanina?
Pakisabit po ng dokumento mo.
As far as I know, siya lang po ay witness. Pero in so far as the ownership of the property is concerned, yung seller lang at saka buyer ang concerned. Di po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Please proceed, Chairman Akop.
He has not answered my question, Mr. Chair. Yung ba ay sale or donate po sa kanya?
Mr. Mangaron, please answer. Donation or deed of sale?
Deed of absolute sale po, Your Honor.
May I request that the resource person submit to us a copy of the deed of sale that he is mentioning?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes. And
Pakisabit na po ngayon mismo para makita ni Chairman Akop at ng mga members ng committee. RDO?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Again, the chair asks you, the claims of Mangaron is deed of sale in the amount of 5 million. Ulit, is it a deed of sale or is it a deed of donation?
It is a deed of donation, Mr. Chair.
o nagsisinungaling siya. Kala ko ba matigas
Mr.
ang
Aaron, please
sagot mo
submit.
kanina?
Pakisabit po ng dokumento mo. Ano ba yan? Certified true copy?
Deed of absolute sale po, Your
Kaya
Honor.
nga, submit ka dito.
Ito
Is
po.
it a true, certified true copy?
Zero.
Good morning po, Your Honor. Ang hawak po namin dito ay deed of absolute sale. Kaya lang po, yung hindi po ito notarized. Ito yung naiwan na copy po sa amin.
Yeah. Hindi, ma'am. So, are you a lawyer?
Po.
Lawyer ka?
Hindi po.
Sino ang abogado nyo? Wala.
Wala po, pinapanotaryo lang po namin dito sa labas, Your Honor. May
Mr. Chair.
kailangan po kami
Hindi,
ipanotaryo.
Mr. Chair,
Ay, sabi mo,
pwede mo
yes,
bang
Chairman
malaman
Akop?
kung sino po siya?
Please identify your...
Jenny Lynn Manalo po, General Manager ng Greenland Oil po.
GM ka ng
Greenland Oil po.
Greenland.
Bakit
Okay.
siya po ang sumasagot tungkol doon sa kwan? What is her business insofar as the transfer of property between the Aniceto family and the Mangaron family? What is her business?
Actually po, lahat po nung aming transaction, nakaharap naman po talaga kasi siya. Kaya
Are you-
well-versed naman po siya with regards doon sa mga transaction po namin, even yung sa sale po ng property.
As far as I know, siya lang po ay witness. Pero in so far as the ownership of the property is concerned, yung seller lang at saka buyer ang concerned. Di po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And are you married to a certain Erlinda Mangaron?
Yes po, Your Honor.
In the documents given or submitted by the Register of Deeds of the Province of Pampanga, yung pong ginawa po ninyo deed of donation. And it's subscribed and sworn to by a certain attorney Marilyn Lee. Yung pong sinasabi yung dokumento, it is a scratch of paper. Kasi hindi notarized. Pursuant to the eyes of the law, scratch paper lang yan eh. Pero ito, yung official records ng Register of Deeds of the Province of Pampanga, official ito. And it is duly notarized. So alin ang paniniwala namin? Matanong ko nga po kayo.
Before kasi, Your Honor, yung dating general manager namin as a liaison officer din namin that time. Siya po ang nag-process po niyan.
Mr. Mangaron, okay. Birthday boy,
Yes.
okay ka na? Mr. Chair, baka umiinit ang ulo po ng ating pong birthday boy, so I stop him to ask questions anymore. So, Mr. Mangaron, we asked for the SEC registration of the Greenland Oil Recovery Center. Who are the incorporators of this company? Can you kindly give us the...
With the indulgence of Chairman Dan, isa-isahan po natin. We have, before we leave the issue about the deed of sale or the deed of donation, establish muna natin yon. Now, on record, ito, last question ko sa iyo, Mr. Mangaron, ha?
Opo. Yes, Your Honor.
Deed of sale at 5 billion.
Deed of sale po.
But you cannot produce a certified true copy of it. Hindi, yes or no lang. Kasi,
Yun lang.
wala. Wala.
I-check po namin. Pero yung record po namin.
Hindi nga, you submitted it to this committee.
Opo.
Wala kayong maibigay. Tapos, yung babae sa katabi mo kanina, sabi niya, unauthorized daw. Oh, what kind of document is that? Do you think this committee will believe in you rather than believing with the RDO? Mr. Mangaron, I will just give you this last, Mr. Mangaron, I will just give you this last warning.
Your
Or else
Honor.
ako personally, I will ask the members of this committee to cite it in contempt. Dahil sinungaling ka.
Your Honor.
Dali. Do not speak unless you're recognized by the chairman. Napakalinyad na nga namin dito eh. Pinagbibigyan na nga kita eh. Pero wag mo kaming pilitin. Wag mo akong pilitin. I-recommend you to be cited in contempt. You're claiming to have a deed of sale. Tapos, wala kayong dokumento. Parang sinungaling pang RDO. Marami pa akong itatanong mamaya dun sa lupa na yon. Kasi ang DAR nandito rin. Ang DNR nandito rin. O DAR and DNR, please prepare unless magtatanong yung mga members namin dito. Last warning ko to sa iyo, Mr. Mangaron, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, as much as we wanted to subscribe to the manifestation of our colleague, the former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, to really give respect to our private resource persons, but with this kind of lying that we are trying to prevent, no? Sana na madinig namin, but unfortunately, nakakadinig po kami ng mga ganitong klase ng mga pagsisinungaling. Sana po, iwasan po natin, refrain from lying, because what we wanted to find out in this hearing is yung veracity nung pag-purchase and converting the property by the resolution, and not the issuance of the different national agency. Ang tanong po natin sa national agency sa DAR, ito ba bang, andyan bang ang agrarian reform? Ano po ba yung property na in question? Is that under CLOA or ano?
Actually, Mr. Chair, the property in question was previously under CLOA.
So under CLOA, so 10 years siya bago mo siya pwedeng i-dispose, right?
Mr. Chair, the CLOA was issued in the year 2000, and it was transferred in 2000 and a transfer was executed in 2005, Mr. Chair, and then another title was issued in 2020, Mr. Chair, January 14.
Hindi, matured na siya, nagano na siya.
So actually, Mr. Chair, this is the third title from
But,
the previous CLOA.
have they have you issued a notice of acquisition?
For the existing transfer, Mr. Chair, we cannot issue a notice of acquisition because the property was under CLOA.
Correct.
Yes.
And with that, kumbaga, kung titingnan mo yung legal parlance, yung mga legal words, it's a void ab initio. Correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.